Alright, so this is, in the upper right window, two Kinect V2 cameras, which are streaming their depth data over localhost, and it's aligned on this marker here. And as you can see in this window, we have an overlay from the Meta 2 AR headset, which is before they got bought by Facebook. So you can see as I look around here, there's actually an overlay of reality on top of reality that's mirrored. And if I come over here, I can give myself a virtual handshake. Just like that. I think it's pretty cool. And as you can see, if I take this cube, I can move myself around like this. Give myself a handshake over here. Oh, one of the cameras froze. There we go. I can give myself a handshake over here. Or if I wanted to, I could spin this cube around and then I can see the back of myself. Or if I take this cube and I make it so that it overlays like, come on, grab it. If it overlays on top of my hand, like so, now we have reality just overlaid on top of itself, roughly. So you can see these cameras aren't perfectly aligned, but you can see my hands are on top of themselves, and most of the objects in the scene are approximately where they're supposed to be. I just moved it again. Anyway, that's my demo. I think it's pretty cool.